Hey there, I'm so excited to talk about our newest content type video. So let's jump right in. Here we are on the subject page. And if I were to scroll down here and change this drop down from the topic to video, look at that, it's brand new. Click on that and I'll add a title for this video. We'll just call like about us. If I click enter, you'll see there's two options on here, upload, which I'll come back to in a sec, and external link, which when I go to this tab, I can then paste in a video. I just happen to have a video in my clipboard and look at that. Who is that? If I click insert external link, I'll be taken to our brand new video content type interface that was custom built for video. You can see here we have just the title. You can add an emoji to this. This is at the topic level this video will be. You can also add a brief introduction. You can see the video there, and it's as the main attraction of the page. And then at the bottom, you have the ability to add some takeaways, what questions to consider, really anything you want down here, but what you like the learner to leave with when they finish watching this video. Cool. So that's the edit view. Let's take a look at the learner's view of this. So I happen to have a video here that has some fields filled out. If I go to view mode, I can see it looks pretty much like you'd expect, where you have the title, the description, the video here. You can of course always play it and go to the screen if you like. Cool. So you have some basics right there. Really cool new content type. Really, takes advantage of the full screen for video, lets you do it at the topic level and jump right in and make the video that main attraction inside your subject. And earlier when we created the video, you noticed, or I called out, that there is the upload option, which is coming soon and will allow you to upload videos directly to Trainual, which is really cool and exciting. So keep an eye out for that in the coming months, and we'll talk more about uploading your videos. Thank you.